but I think it's the United States in particular. The military on a humanitarian mission here has, to the man, been so extraordinary, and I mean humanly so extraordinary. It's made a tremendous impact, and the United States should be prouder than ever of its military. I've seen it firsthand. Hey, what's your name? What's your name? Name!